Hey friends, welcome to the vlog.
We'll show you guys a newer ring light, but first, go for bubble tea.
Bubble tea time, let's do it. Let's go, guys.
Let's go. I got an avocado bubble tea.
Taro, old school. No bubbles, I can't do bubbles, but I got a coconut jelly. But yeah, let's do it. So excited. Alright, what do we got here? Comes with a handy bag, Neewer handy bag.
This is the 18 inches, right?
18 inches
Yeah.
Neewer. Inside is the
Whoa, it's huge.
it's the light itself. You can see, right? Three
So bright.
to the
We'll
tripod.
show you guys how it looks like. So this is the lights
This is the
that you
light.
see.
It's actually
It's actually pretty cool.
like
This is like maybe medium
yeah.
medium lights of it, and it's pretty strong.
Yeah.
Like if you're looking at it straight right now, but the lights is actually like, I mean, sorry, I've been drinking too much bubble tea. The shadowing and the lights is like even because we're not photographers, and we'll show you guys what we used to have,
Yeah.
and
So this is
it's
what we
actually
had before.
it's actually a little bit harder. So we have two of these. So show them the other one. We have two of these before, and it's kind of hard because we're not photographers, and it's hard to look for lights, and we literally have to like, all the time. But it works. And it was only like $30, I think. And you can change the light to like, we have like an orange and blue like it's almost like this. I don't know what it's called.
But this one comes with this.
It's like this too.
Yeah. So I guess you can change the shading. I mean, we're not
You still have to learn
professional
about
photographer,
this.
but like I think there's no use for this in the future for us.
Yeah.
But for now, like we have like this for in terms of like a good vlog. Definitely for sure. I suggest grab this. This is a really good.
Yeah, I
vlog
really
for
like
sure.
this. There's another brand about this ring light with this ring lights too, but we're not sure what it is. But a lot of the reviews that we've seen is with Neewer, so we went with Neewer.
The best
And
part
it comes with a remote.
So, yeah.
Yes.
So what I'm gonna do, I actually want to turn off the house light. So
Yeah, so how it looks like. I think every time this is gonna be my favorite part in each like things. We have a clicker when we do our vlogs, or when we do our photos too outside. So it's pretty cool. Is it nice? It's like turning off everything.
yeah. So
Yeah.
this is
This is so
without
cool.
without the lights, without house lights, just by itself. And
I don't even know
pretty
if it's not working. Okay, this is. I'm like trying to click. I was like, what if I turn this off? Anyways, yes. Yeah, we're pretty excited with this, and it's gonna be a better one. Like especially if we do like anything to do with like skincare or anything. So this focuses more like a lot of beauty bloggers uses this, and yeah. So if you guys are planning to invest in something like lights, I'd say just go jump right ahead with ring lights because it's definitely.
And if you're gonna
like,
grab it, grab some bubble.
some bubble tea while you're at it.
But yeah, if you guys, again, we'll link up all the information where we got this. Again, this is not paid.
It's not paid, we just want to share with you guys.
We want to share this to you guys because it's really exciting, something new for us. We never had this before. So yeah, so again, if you guys like this video,
give us a thumbs up,
Thumbs up,
and
subscribe,
and
yeah.
follow us on Instagram too.
And next video is gonna be exciting, so wait out for that. See you guys on the next vlog.
See you guys. Peace.